It's Steve with 199roofrepair.com coming back at you. Today I want to talk about damage to roofs. That's right. Did you know your roof gets damaged every year? It might be through just the sun, the wind, blowing. One good indication of roof damage is to look in your gutters. If your gutters have an awful lot of the granules that came off of the shingle, the granules are coming off. The shingle is shedding the granules, and then the next layer is the black asphalt. When that black asphalt deteriorates and goes away, what is left is a fiberglass mat that's under the shingle. That's the bottom part of the shingle. So if your roof is shiny when the sun hits it, what you're seeing, that sheen or shine or silver look, that's the actual fiberglass that you're actually seeing in the roof. And that's how it's wearing down. Roofs expand and contract every day. They have to have this movement, this flexibility. And as the shingle dries out, the shingle gets old and brittle. When it tries to expand and contract, what happens if it's brittle and stiff? It can't expand and contract. So what happens is as the shingle gets pulled to expand or contract, it actually starts to crack or crumble. That's right. So what we do is we try to extend the life expectancy of your roof through certain products that we use to put the flexibility back into your roof. We do a roof tune-up, which is a way of going around and sealing all the penetrations and deficiencies in your roof, you know, the flashing areas around the chimney or valleys, any place that we see that the roof is starting to deteriorate to the point where you could get a future leak. That's called a roof tune-up. Did you know your insurance policy requires you to maintain your property? And that includes the roof. So insurance companies are flying drones and aircraft over people's roofs to assess the damage that is on their roof currently. And then when it comes time to renew your insurance, a lot of insurance companies are refusing to insure your roof to renew the policy if your roof is more than 10 or 12 years old or damaged. Call us today at 199roofrepair.com. We'll come out, do a free roof assessment. We'll fix any leaks, anything you have going on with the roof, and we'll give you a 5-year guarantee on the leak repair, and I'm going to give you back 100% of the repair money if you ever call us to put on a new Class 4 impact-resistant shingle roof in the future. That's right. I'm going to give you back all of your money that you paid for the repair if you let us do a roof someday in the future for you. Call us today. That's 199roofrepair.com. Our phone number is 844, the word leak, LEAK, 199. Thank you.